Write a letter to your friend thanking him for the books he lent to you. First write the examination hall, then write the name of city and date. Dear Anwar, I have just received a parcel. It contains some books on history. I am very thankful to you for sending me these books. I have started reading them. I hope they will broaden my vision. I shall keep them with great care. I shall study them with interest. I shall return them to you as soon as I finish them. Regards to all. Yours sincerely, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.